Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now click on this square button over here and click on this icon with two rectangles next to three dots. Then you need to click on the other app, in my case Settings, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging your app upwards or downwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!